fuel economy, low noise, and extraordinary power. And yes, we are always performing for you. Just like me, MaxxForce diesel engines can be transformed to fit most vehicles. That's why MaxxForce diesel engines are the heart of the best made vehicles on Earth. For 100 years, my creator, Navistar, has made diesel engines that power vehicles and machinery on all continents of your planet. And today, I am built for nearly any vehicle requiring the best diesel power. Hold on, and let's ride.
Harvester's version of a transformer, huh?